Hello, welcome to Easy English. Today, me and Easy want to challenge you to a game of GeoGuessr. Here we go. Right, where are we?
Oh God.
We're in a field.
Oh, a bit further.
A bit further.
I see something coming up.
Oh, what's this going to say?
More hills.
If this sign's just going to say, you're lost. I think it's somewhere in the Yorkshire Dales.
Okay. Yeah, Dales, yeah. Okay. Oh.
Wow, where were we? In Northumberland National Park.
Wow.
Beautiful,
Go there.
though.
Yeah.
We still got 1,795 points, but we underperformed. We ready for the next round? Let's go. Oh, God. Another wood.
It's rainy.
Scotland, maybe then? It's even raining on the Google Maps camera.
Okay.
Cows. Right, let's go hunting for clues. Why are we getting dropped in the middle of nowhere?
There's a sign.
Here we go. This will just say,
Farm.
cows, watch out.
Fresh eggs.
More fields. Oh, there's a cow in the road.
Oh no.
Oh no, there wasn't. That was a man on his... What? Huh? Oh, okay.
Oh, bicycles.
I thought they were cows. How offensive. More people on bicycles.
Oh, we really went the wrong road.
Are we accidentally in Holland?
Ask him.
Excuse me, mate. Where are we? Oh my God, look, he's been squished.
Excuse me, where am I?